Hello everyone, now we learn how to change text style of substring in text view. Let us start. In XML file we add text view that will show my text. Next, in main activity we will define text view as shown. To implement spannable string, our first step will be to create a spannable string object. Then I want the subtext red to be in red color. For that I will create a foreground color span object with red color. So within this string we have C letter in 0 position and O letter first position, etc. like array of character. Then define the first and end index of word want to apply the style on it 15,19. Then define the flag which will determine on which part you want to apply this style, spannable.span inclusive. This span inclusive exclusive means that include this starting character which is R in this case and exclusive this 19 character which is a space, so from 16 to 18 it will be colored as red. And finally, apply this spannable string to our text view. Now we are done. Let's run the app. So have we go. This is the output. Now, I want color the text background color as green. So, how to do it on the same text? First I will create background color span object, with green color. And next set the span for the position. Now run the app. Good. In this way we can apply multiple style in the same text. Now, I want to make this font size of word red as the double of what it was originally, so for that, I will use relative size span object and pass to f parameter. This will make font size double of its original size. If we'll make it 3f then, font size will become 3 times the original font size, and set it to our span object and then pass the start and end index of word. So this is the output. Now, suppose I want to make the same text as bold, so how to do that? First, I will create a style span object and pass constant as typeface.bold. So you can select your own typeface as well, such as bold, italic, etc. and set it to our spannable string object. And then run the app. That's all. Thank you.